This is right there. All car is stuck. This is snow. And this is ALANTA, Georgia. Full disaster. Full disaster. Stuck. Everybody is stuck. Everyone is stuck. Look at that. Ice. And all cars, everything is stuck. You cannot, all cars. Everything, everywhere. Oh. You guys can see that's all icy. I don't know why it's glare. I have no idea. I have no idea why my torch is on. I gotta see. Ugh. Anyway, so you guys can see that all ice, and I'm walking on it because my car also got stuck. My car got stuck. Oh man, look at that. All car is stuck. Can you guys see? All accident. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is all ice, ice, and ice. Oh, man. Too much ice. 5 inch. 5 inch, you guys think, and it's minus 10, minus 11.